Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you guys are good. Sabrina and I are back doing Oldies but Goodies Gen X ATC cards. We are doing 2 at a time to catch up. We took the summer off. How was your summer, guys? I hope you had a good summer. Mine's been busy. I did a lot of outdoor painting on stuff that needed to be painted. Like, I also put a flower bed going around the house in and painted that. Painted the railings on the front porch steps. Painted my shed. Painted the base of my shed. And now I'm painting the shaker porch. Painting the garage doors. So it's been busy. Plus, if it's beautiful out, Scott and I are on the Harley. We're gone. And he usually doesn't work on Sundays. And if it's beautiful out on Sundays, don't even try to get hold of us because we're gone. During the week, we may take a little ride here and there, but Sunday's our day, and we're gone. So I had a pretty active summer. So I'm here to share my ATC card that I made. The first ATC card is the Smurfs. Smurfs was my favorite cartoon when I was a kid. I still watch them. So what I did is I just got this little image of the Smurfs. You got Papa Smurf in there and Smurfette, and I want to say this is Vanity, and I think Grouchy, and I can't remember the little character here. My mind just went blank. So I just got this, and when you open it, there's Gargamel. I hate Smurfs. I got some little Smurfs, and then I got the artist one. I can't remember his name either. God. You know. So that's my ATC card. And I got it for Smurfs July 10th. This is July 10th. So there it is. Isn't it cute? And I like about this, doing these two together, this is my favorite cartoon. And this one is Scott's favorite cartoon. I watched it, but it wasn't one of my favorites. It's Garfield and Friends. So I just did a color in the back, and I found this little picture of Garfield and Friends, and I just doodled around it. That's Garfield and Friends. So those were the 2 ATCs for this catching up. So you will see 2 for a few days, a few weeks, and then we'll be going back to 1 because we'll be caught up. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.